System Pavers has helped more than 75,000 homeowners make the most of their front backyards through beautiful, durable, and quality outdoor remodels. And you can be next. For a limited time only, to celebrate our 30th anniversary, you can get the incredible savings of $3 off every square foot of pavers and turf. Plus, special financing is available. Fall is the best time of the year for outdoor gatherings. Whether it's a meal on the patio, hosting around the fire pit, or however you want to enjoy your incredible new living space, start today with System Pavers free consultation. Get started by calling 800-PAVE-004 or visit SystemPavers.com. That's 800-PAVE-004 or SystemPavers.com. All orders must be placed by October 31st. Financing subject to credit approval. See website for details. Contractor's license 661-575. Hey listener, welcome to Limu's Karaoke Lounge, where Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance so you only pay for what you need, and the music never stops. Hit it. There's an emu with a full-time job. His partner's Doug, but Limu's the heartthrob. Grubs and worms, that's what Limu eats. Gotta fuel up to save you money and hit the streets. Only pay for what you need at libertymutual.com. Liberty.
Hi, this is Staples.
So rumor has it that Staples has everything I need to ship.
That's not a rumor. We have all the shipping supplies and services you need.
Boxes?
Yep.
Mailers?
Yep.
And I can actually ship there, right?
We have UPS right here in store.
Huh. What will Staples think of next?
Right?
No, seriously, I'm asking, what will they think of next?
Staples has all your shipping supplies and UPS service in store. And right now, get 25% off UPS Express shipping services. Staples, the best kept secret in shipping. Ends 12/31. Valid only in Staples U.S. stores.
Pizza party, anyone? Invite your friends and slice up the savings at Whole Foods Market. Frozen pizza is 35% off through November 1st, while supplies last. Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop in-store or online. Terms apply. KCBS traffic and weather time with the 6-day forecast coming up. The traffic watch first with Kim Wonderly. The traffic still hung up trying to get out of the southern side of Petaluma and into the northern side of Marin County. We had a long-standing problem on southbound 101 just near the dumps turnoff near the San Antonio Road turnoff. It's clear now, but traffic is still stacked up trying to get through that area and down to the area adjacent Mount Verdell. So we're looking at slow traffic passing the Redwood Sanitary Landfill, if you will. The rest of the way through Marin, it's starting to fill in. South 101, we see the brake lights come on right around Highway 37, slow to Ignacio, and we'll call it sluggish in pockets into the area adjacent the Civic Center as you come down through Terra Linda. Let's look at the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge now. Once you do get on the span, traffic is rolling a whole lot better than it had been. We had a hit-and-run crash at the west end of the bridge, so we've recovered on the bridge, but the toll plaza backup now is stretching all the way back to, not quite to Marina Bay Parkway, but certainly beyond Harbor Way. Interstate 80 still in recovery mode. Also, earlier problems in Berkeley are gone, but from Hilltop we see pockets of slowing most of the way into Berkeley. Bay Bridge back up foot of the MacArthur interchange, so just to the base of 80 and 580. And so far on the peninsula, the sluggish traffic is coming out of San Mateo. We see that as you make your way up toward Peninsula Avenue. No stalls or accidents in your way, though. Your next update is at 7:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS. Mancini Sleep World 6-day forecast now. It's calling for sunny skies and mild temperatures throughout the afternoon today. Highs in the 60s and 70s. We do have a frost advisory in place until 9 o'clock this morning. We'll be mostly clear and cold tonight, and then a few more clouds tomorrow with cooler temperatures. Highs in the 50s and 60s, just a few spots in the 70s, and a slight chance of rain in the North Bay tomorrow night. Wednesday through Friday look mild. Highs in the 60s and 70s with another chance of rain in the North Bay on Friday night. And over the weekend, cooler temperatures and some slight chances of rain. We've got traffic and weather together on the 8th on KCBS. KCBS News Time 7:51. In the first and only gubernatorial debate yesterday, Governor Newsom said he will stay in office for the full 4-year term if he's reelected, as polling suggests he'll be. For more, we're joined on the KCBS Spring Central Newsline by our insider Phil Mateer. Phil, thank you as always. Governor Newsom has been saying he has no plans to run for president right now. Should we believe him?
I'm sorry, but he is saying what he needs to say, and he should be saying. Right now, he is running for re-election in the state of California. I mean, think about it, Melissa. What if at this debate that hardly anybody was watching or even hearing because it was on public radio while the Chargers were playing in Southern California and the 49ers were playing up here, if he had said, I'm not sure. let's leave that question open, or something like that. That would have been an explosion all across both the Democratic Party and across the country and across the state. At this point, Gavin Newsom sincerely believes that he's going to serve out 4 years as the next governor or ongoing governor of California. And we take him at his word, even though he is spending much of his time promoting Democratic values and fighting Republicans in Florida and in Texas, and is, in the national spotlight as often as he can be. Are the two mutually compatible? In politics, it's always about that was then and this is now. So we're at this is then, and we'll see what happens later.
Is it possible he could be gearing up for a 2028 run for the presidency?
Anything is possible. We have, this situation we have, especially in the Democratic Party and the Republican Party, is so wide open nobody's ever seen it before. I mean, we have President Joe Biden who is telling people, yes, he's running again. How many people believe that? I'm not sure. How many people want that to be the case, even in the Democratic Party? Not many. So we have this whole idea of who exactly is going to run and when are they going to run. It's wide open. So what you have to do now is you have to fight the fight that is at hand. And right now, Gavin Newsom is, if you want to use the words, fighting for re-election, although he's ahead 53-32 to Brian Dale. And it's a lock. He's got a lock. But yesterday's debate was interesting. It was like the state senator who was opposing him was bringing up inflation, gas prices, the cost of living in California, and Newsom was bringing up abortion, climate change, and sort of national issues. So it's in some ways he's running a national campaign here in the state.
We've got 20 seconds left, but if it were to come to pass that he doesn't finish his term, whether to run for president or vice president, how forgiving do you think California voters will be?
They won't. They don't need to be forgiving because he would be finished in California. They might not be happy. If he gets elected president, they'll be happy. If he doesn't get elected president, he serves out his term and doesn't run again. It's as simple as that. We'll just have to wait and see. Stay tuned, as they say.
All right. Thank you very much, KCBS insider Phil Mateer, who will be back this afternoon at 5:50. KCBS News Time 7:55. It's a bad day already for Chinese tech firms. Jason Brooks is on the Money Watch with the details.
Melissa, Xi Jinping's unprecedented third term as president of China's Communist Party is sending a chill through Chinese tech stocks. Asian-listed shares plunged for Alibaba, Baidu, JD.com, and Tencent. Looks like more of the same for their U.S.-listed shares. Under Xi's leadership, Beijing has been cracking down on tech firms in the country, and his tightened grip on the Communist Party is leading analysts to speculate that his policies could impede future tech growth in the country, especially if policy mistakes go unchallenged. Shares in Alibaba, Baidu, and JD.com all down between 15 and 17% in the U.S. And that is weighing on the NASDAQ. It's down 36 points, while the Dow heads higher by 225, and the S&P is up by 17 following the big rally on Friday. On the Money Watch, Jason Brooks, KCBS.
You may not know it, but the equity in your home can provide you with cash when you need it most. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt or cover a major renovation, a home equity line of credit or cash out refinance from Fremont Bank may be a great choice for you. With increased home values, now may be the right time to give us a call to find out how your home's equity can work for you. Visit FremontBank.com or call 866-992-INFO today. NMLS number 478471, Equal Housing Lender, member FDIC.
If you're thinking about home improvement, why not choose products that last longer, look better, and provide real energy efficiency, all while increasing the comfortability of your home? For over 50 years, Armstrong Painting, Roofing, and Windows. Free estimates and financing available when you call toll-free 855-777-1234 or online at armstrong1234.com. Armstrong Painting, Roofing, and Windows. License 245291.
Let's face it, shopping for a used car isn't always a positive experience, but that is about to change. Honda is bringing the plus side to used car buying with Honda True Used. Shop from a selection of vehicles up to 10 years old. Plus, get a Honda-backed limited warranty and other premium benefits. Learn more online or at your local Honda dealer and discover the better way to buy used. With Honda True Used. New and certified pre-owned Hondas are arriving daily. Buy or reserve yours now.
West Coast Men's Health has helped thousands of men overcome erectile dysfunction and Peyronie's disease using acoustic wave therapy. No pills and no shots.
But it's not our success stories that separate